Hello, we are at Ikea today because we need to buy dressers for the kids because we need space. Because guess who's back? Daddy's back. Ooh, I like that color Jeep.
That is nice.
That looks nice. Kind of looks like poop or
like an old avocado.
An old avocado.
Yeah. Okay. When you're ready, when we get to the top, jump. I'll let you do by yourself. Okay? One, two, three, jump.
Yo, right there. Stand right over there. Ready? Go. We're gonna look for a dresser for your clothes. You and brother's clothes. Over here. Where you going? Where are you going? I was looking at this one right here. Same thing, right?
Yeah.
That's not bad. This would be perfect. So we did not find the dresser because they didn't have it. But we got food. If you've never tried Ikea's veggie dogs, I promise you they're so good. They're actually vegan, right?
I think so.
Because if you look at the ingredients, there's no animal product. But besides that, this is so good. Okay, so it's naked right now. I have to add all the toppings. So good. So it comes with sweet honey mustard, pickled cabbage, and fried onions. Good. You're not hungry anymore?
It's a good bite.
It is.
Have the crunch.
And the sweetness. And the sour.
Pickle and cabbage. And the sausage itself.
We also bought their pretzels. What? What are you looking for? There's one.
I have another one.
Yeah, I use it because I have to. Pretzel's pretty good.
Is it?
Right. The dough's supposed to be kind of dense.
Yeah.
Yes. Right. I did. Yeah, I think so. For the most part.
That's
Good. It's pretty big too. Like a what? Almost 12 inches long.
Yeah.
Taking a break. I am not even halfway done with the dresser. Ryson's not here. He left with his mom to go to the store. I think they went to go like shooting, the shooting range, and then to the store. And it's like 1 o'clock, but I feel like I'm kind of on a time crunch because we all need a shower. We all need to get ready because at 7:30 we're actually going to the movies for the first time ever. My aunt purchased like a private screening for my family and I because it's actually her birthday. So she wanted to do something with the family. So we're gonna go watch Tom and Jerry tonight. I'm sorry, I'm feeding Ronan. You see through the glass. I am feeding Ronan, but we're gonna go watch Tom and Jerry tonight. We have a movie theater all to ourselves. Of course, it's a small one. But we have it all to ourselves, so we're really excited. What? You want Jello? Okay, I can get you Jello. Like I was saying, I really want to try and get it done today because our room looks crazy. When Ryson brought all of his clothes in boxes, we haven't organized anything at all. We have to kind of like reconfigure our closet so that way it'll fit all of our clothes, the 4 of us, comfortably. Of course, it's gonna be a little packed, but I wanna use as much space in there as possible where the vertical gets, you know, that's why we bought the dresser, so that way we can get some of the kids' clothes that, because I hung a lot of their stuff off of there, and we had a hanging shelf, and I want what, you okay? Like I was saying, we have a hanging shelf in there, and I want to take it down because I feel like I'm putting too much weight on the shelves because we have all, if we put all of Ryson's clothes and then whatever's hanging, I feel like it'll be too much, and then we have stuff on top of the shelf that we want to put as well. So I don't want to put too much weight on there and then have it come tumbling down. So like I said, I really want to get that done today. That's why I'm like kind of stressed about it, and my anxiety is like you better hurry up, you have 6 hours. It sounds a lot to some people, but to me I'm like, I gotta do this and that, and my mind is like literally racing. But my dad comes home soon, so hopefully when we're done eating lunch he can like watch Run for a little bit after he like settles in, and then I can try and finish this dresser because like I said, I'm like on step like 11 of like 50, so like I said, not even halfway there yet. The next day, I currently feel very lightheaded. I did get the dresser finally done, and yeah, there's just so much to do. If you could see my room, and I'm gonna just pan over it real quick. That's giving me a headache. But last night the private watch party was so fun. We had like one of the small movie theaters to ourselves. Like I said, it was fun. Noah had fun. Tom and Jerry movie was okay. It was just more the experience of like getting the whole theater to ourselves. And I looked it up. It was like only like $100 something for all of us. There was like more than 20 of us there, so that was really fun. But I want to get as much done as I can today because I work tomorrow, and then around 5 o'clock we're going to my grandma's house to celebrate my aunt's birthday. But there's just so much clothes, so I'm literally getting a headache just staring at everything. So let's see how much we get done, and yeah, on to the time lapse. Done for the day. I know it doesn't look like I did anything, but I did. I'm actually starting to see the floor of my room more now that I look at it, but this headache of mine is really draining, and I just don't feel good, so I'm gonna call it quits, but it is to be continued. But yeah, that's it for me right now. I'm gonna relax, go drink some water, go eat something. But I'm gonna stop because I'm just not feeling good at all. But I'm gonna end the vlog here. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Again. Okay, go. Ready, go.